Hello traders, how you doing? Today is the 14th of December 2025, and I'm back again with another manipulation video 105. So this is the last video on this manipulation videos. So this is the USD Swiss franc daily time frame, just a top-down analysis, just to show you a different view of these manipulations. So they occur differently. Yeah, they happen. They don't all happen the same way. So you see them in different fashions. So daily time frame. You see here we had this rejection. So if I extend this box to the left, you see that it will touch right there. Yeah, it will touch that right there, and this as well. Okay, so so we had that rejection there. Also bounced when it came back, so we pushed down and then came back um, and had that rejection there. Yeah, also there we had the rejection there as well. Um, there as well, and then we broke to the upside with these two candles, bullish candles. Okay, so basically again getting buyers to come in to go long. So this was the first place where they manipulated us, the retail traders. So you've gone long and your stops are all going to be below this level or below that level right there. Yeah, they came back to take you out. All right, and then so when we broke out, the breakout traders go short after these bearish engulfing candles. The stops will be above here, above here. Yeah. So we retraced. The retracement traders have gone short, piling up to the stops above the level, above that height there, and they've come back to take them out. All right. So this was the first um, uh, manipulation, and then this was a breakout, bearish breakout that people went long. Yeah, and also then when we broke back up again, these two candles will get people to go long. Yeah, if they go long, stops are all going to be right there. Yeah, and then they've come back to take them out. Okay, so we went up, we retested, more buyers came in, and then we went up. So let's drop down to 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, so like I mentioned, this was the first, right here was the first entry by the market makers here. So this was the first long entry, all right? Because this was the last, the first drop to the downside after the manipulation at the top. This is the first drop to the downside to take all the sellers, sorry, the buyers out. Yeah. So this was the first seller. So here you mark this area as the market makers first long trade. All right. And then when they came back right here, yeah, this was a breakout. Let's get rid of that. This right here was a breakout that traders have went long. Yeah, when they went long here, stops are going to be below this level. Yeah, or below that low right there. Okay, so they came back again. Then they gave us these bullish signals to go long. Yeah. So if you have a look, I'll just show you quickly. Have a look at this. This move here, if you've gone long here, your target will be that high. Yeah. So like I always say, they won't let you get to your profit. And this is, if you're learning this methodology, this is what you need to start looking at. When you see a big move like this, look to your left where the profit's taken. No. Okay? Because if you've gone long here, you'll be aiming to take a profit at this high. So when the market came back, it is assumed that you're still holding on to your trade. If you're lucky, you will exit at break even. Okay? But when we retested the level, as you can see, we had more bullish candles, more signal to go long. And if they've gone long here, they'll be aiming to take the profit at the next high to the left, which is here. Can you see? It didn't quite get to that high. All right. So if you're still holding on to this high, this long here, and then you've entered again, or new buyers came into the market, they will still aim the next high to the left. So each of these moves to the upside didn't quite get to the target, the next high on the left hand side. Yeah. So the fact that they gave us this leg to go long, we know that there will be stops below the level, because if you've gone long here, there will be stops below this level. All right. So when this came back last Friday, when this came back Friday, gone 2 days ago, this was a stop hunt of anyone that have taken a long trade here. Okay, so this is a stop hunt. All right. So this week, this trading week, what I'm looking to do is to go long. Yeah, because this is a stop hunt of the long traders there, and anyone that's putting a stop below this level. Yeah, and this is a demand zone also. We have penetrated below the demand zone just in case there were stops below here. Yeah, we've penetrated there, so to take more stops out. All right, so this is the first market makers long trade. This is the second long trade. Okay, and I believe that this is the third entry to go long. Yeah, so this could be the last long trade for them this year. All right, so my bias for USDCHF is, I hope to get a minor pullback. Yeah, not breaking this low. If it does, then I'll wait for bullish candle, then to go long. Yeah, to go long. Yeah, so this is my plan for USDCHF this week. So this is the manipulation video 105. You see how they gave you that high there, and then they came, stopped you out, and then they broke up again with stops all below this level, and then they came back again to take you out. We broke back up again with bullish engulfing candles right there, and then stops all going to be below this level. They've retraced. Retracement traders have gone long right there. Yeah, the stops are going to be below this low, and then they've come back to all take them out. All right. Taking a look at the highs. This was the first high, the second high, the third and the fourth high didn't quite get to the highest high that they gave us. All right. So this is always our target. So they give us this target, knowing how we trade. All right. So yeah, the first long there, second long there, and this potentially will be the market maker's third entry. Yeah. Put it this way: if they have 1 billion pounds, they won't all put the 1 billion pound in one particular trade. Yeah, they will split it into 3, 4, 5 longs. Yeah, for example. So this could be the number 1, number 2, number 3, and then the final one. Hopefully, this will be the final one to head up. Yeah. So USD CHF long trade only. All right. So if you take a long, then it will be safe to put your stop below the first low, which is right there. Yeah, the first low. So if you can see, This is the first low there. Here is the first low. This move here did not break that low. Yeah. So this is something also the sign that you keep an eye on when these lows are not broken after the manipulation. So it means that yeah, this is where they've entered. All right. So wait for a little pullback, and then if there's a break below this low, as long as we do not take out that low, yeah, then you're safe to look for a signal to go long. All right. Yeah. So I hope this video helps. All right. Any questions? Drop a comment. Share to your friends, your family to help them be profitable. Take care. Bye bye.